Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So I'm doing this video to share this little hack with you. You may even have thought of this before, but I wanted to share this with you because my channel is all about saving money, and most of you know that if you have a recipe or a sandwich or subs or whatever you're trying to make and it calls for sliced cheese. Sliced cheese is extremely expensive for what it is. I don't know why it's so much more expensive than any other types of cheeses, the way they're cut. But anyway, I do this all the time, and it's so much cheaper than buying a package of 10 pieces of sliced cheese. So what I do, I just take shredded cheese. I will put it on a microwave safe small plate. I use about a fourth of a cup. Put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. When it's completely melted, before it starts getting, super melted and like stuck to your plate, you only need it to be just melted. I put it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 minutes, pull it out. I use a little spatula that helps me get up underneath of it, and you have your piece of cheese. It's so much cheaper. Yeah, so just a little frugal hack to share with you guys today. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.